My steering feels kind of heavy, and it's not happy to straighten up after a turn, so it's time to address that. I saw a YouTube video from Everesto where he was doing a bedding-in procedure on the ball joints, so I thought I would give it a try. The idea is to rotate the ball joints with an impact wrench till it loosens up and moves a little easier. So I need to take off the wheels and the spindles. Before I remove the spindle, I mark the position of the camber adjuster, so I don't have to align the wheels again. Everything come apart quite nice and easy on this side. I tighten two nuts against each other, and then start rotating it with the impact wrench. Suddenly, you can hear it rotating freely, without the hammering of the impact. The two other ball joints on the side seem to move nicely enough, so no need to bed them in. Everything is put back together and tightened up, so I can put the wheel back on. On to the other side. Unfortunately, things don't come apart as easily on this side. going to be interesting to test if this made a difference. Unfortunately, I don't have the answer to that question yet.